Warning, proceed with caution. The following program documents the life of a 19-year-old whose hobbies included racing, building cars, and making financial decisions that financial advisors would strongly discourage. No amount of horsepower is ever enough. No racetrack is ever visited enough, and somehow there's always another part to buy.
What's up, worldwide? Welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, we talked about the WRX a little bit and how I got the car and what's wrong with the car, and a little bit about what the plans are with the car. But there's a lot more that you guys don't know yet. But I can't spill the secret yet. But today, I want to try and clean this thing, because as you can see, it's dirty from me trying to polish it, from sitting around so long. Honestly, it's just dirty all over. So today, I want to try and clean this car. But I have a problem, because I'm all by myself. I have no clue how I'm going to get this car out of the garage today. But we're going to try. You know, I really am nervous about getting this car out of the garage, but what's worse than not trying? So I'm going to try and push it out by myself. And if I need help, I'll go get someone to help. But we're going to get it out of this garage today and clean it, because it's definitely really dirty. So I'm going to try by myself. Let's see if I succeed. Let's see if I fail. You know, I'm already a little discouraged because I can teeter method it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get very far. Oh, maybe. Let me see if I can push up here to pull the parking brake. The trick is with this, you just gotta teeter it back and forth. And get it a little bit, get it up a little bit, and dive in there, pull that parking brake. Alright. After you got that, it's a game of inches. Very long game of inches. I really think we just reset. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. And I don't think anyone here is going to want to be on camera, so let me see if I can get help in general. If not, I guess we're just going to have to write this off till another day. But we're going to try. After a very long time, we finally got the car out here. I had to go ask a fellow friend for help. He didn't want to be on camera, but it's out here. Took way too long, but it's out here. But now that it's out here, we can actually start we can start cleaning it now. Man, this thing really needs it. Now, before I ever clean a car, I like to really inspect where I'm cleaning just to make sure I did a good job. So I'm noticing a lot of dirt on the tires. There's a lot of polish material stuck on the rims. It's all dusty from being in the garage for so long. So those are really our main points. So I think we're just gonna do a quick spray down, rub, spray down again, see how it looks after that, and then we'll really focus on the spots that need to be better, but it doesn't need to be perfect right now, because this car is about to be going through a lot of change, and it's really going to be a project. You'll see soon. I really got to stop talking about what I want to do to this car before I spoil it, but just know I got a lot of big goals for this car, and it's going to get there. Just know I got naughty intentions. But first, I gotta clean this thing, so let me get the hose hooked up and the power cord for the power washer hooked up. so we can start spraying this thing down. Alright, now that we got that all hooked up, we should just be able to use the spray gun now. Yeah. Definitely working. Alright, let's cue the montage. Alright, now that I got it all wet and clean, time to soap it up. I'll refill my bubbles real quick. That should be more than enough soapy for now. Now, I'm gonna grab my hand mitt. I always like to use this, and I'm gonna go straight across, back and forth, back and forth. You don't want to do circles because you'll fuck up your paint. I mean, I guess I don't care because I'm gonna wrap it, but I still want to do it correctly. I don't want to fuck anything up. So, now it's time to scrub it. I think that should just about do it for the first scrub. I'll just do a quick walk around the car real quick, make sure I didn't miss any major spots. But since I have some foam left in my foam cannon, I'm just gonna do a second application of the foam. I'm not gonna scrub it this time, I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute. And then I'll just do a quick spray down, dry it off, and then we'll be able to push it back in the garage. Now that I have dried the car off a lot, it looks a lot better, like really, really good. But it makes me a little sad because I know what I'm about to do to it, and this car is gonna look very, very different soon. So now that the car's all dried off and clean, our next mission is trying to get back into the garage by myself since I actually don't have help this time. Gotta figure it out. But after that, I'll talk a little bit about what I'm planning on doing. Let's get after it. I'm gonna need to ask for help again. That thing is too heavy right now. But just wait a little bit, it'll be a lot lighter. So, not gonna be able to film me getting it in, but Got some of it. Whew. After like an hour of work, I finally got this in here. Yeah, it's too heavy. Just a little bit, but we'll fix that soon. Let me close up, get ready, and then let's talk about it a little bit. Alright, this is my 2004 WRX. I bought this car about a month ago and it kind of just got pushed to the side. Currently this car doesn't start. It's simple shit. I could easily fix it, but why do that when I can turn it into a race car? And by a race car, I mean fully not street legal anymore, with a roll cage, no airbags, bucket seats, the whole 9 yards. The reason why I'm building this car is because I want to compete in racing events. I think my main priority might be the 24 Hours of Lemons, but I also am looking at the SCCA rallies and the NASA rallies, and just any other event that this car will qualify to race in. I do plan on making a theme for this car, but I'm not gonna give it away yet. That'll come once I wrap it, but in the next episode, I really plan on just stripping this car from the carpets, to the seats, to the dash panels, to door panels, just everything. Just make this car as light as possible and sell what I can to get money for supporting mods. Now, this project's definitely going to take a little bit because I'm 19 and I run my own business, so it's going to take some time for me to build the finances for this car. But I do plan on using every little bit I make from this car, either from selling interior parts or YouTube or ads or anything, to build this car into a race car as quickly as possible. And I'm going to document the whole thing. But like I said, into the next episode, we're going to strip this whole interior and market it and try and sell as much as we can. Until the next time.